Friends, the Rajasthan High Court, Jaipur bench, they were forced to adjourn the case as the lawyer appeared in Banyan while the video conferencing is taking place in the particular matter. See how bad it is. I am sure that you know, in the very famous case of State of Maharashtra versus Praful B. Desai, 2003, the Supreme Court held that video conferencing is the latest method, latest technology to solve the time of so many individuals and the presence of so many individuals, and it can be taken on par with the regular trial. Therefore, the sections 65A and 65B of the Evidence Act have also been amended to legally recognize the electronic evidence, because it saves so much of time, so much of energy, so much of finance. Yes, definitely it is allowed. Of course, particularly during this lockdown period of COVID-19, the Supreme Court and the High Courts, they are adopting to video conferencing facility. Right? So, video conferencing is the latest tool. It is mostly accepted, maybe by Zoom app or something. Definitely you can go for the video conferencing, particularly during this lockdown period. So, Rajasthan High Court on April 7th found an advocate in a vest, and therefore they have given directions to the High Court Bar Association. You please advise your people to appear in proper uniform, because the Advocates Act, of course, it gives section 42 gives powers to the Bar Association to prepare the laws. So previously already the Bar Council have framed the rules. So let us go to rule number 5. So rule number 5 says an advocate should appear in proper dress before a court. Of course, now the court is not there, but court is functioning through video conference. So you have to be in proper uniform, proper dress, wearing the white shirt, collar bands, banyan, if possible, the gown, all these things you should wear and appear before the court. Of course, I have seen in social media some people commenting that the judges, they are only just with the coat, they are not in the robe prescribed for the judges, they also commented. But anyway, I have seen judges wearing the coat, tie, and that's a uniform. So you may be knowing the difference between a formal dress, informal dress, casual dress. Definitely the judges are wearing formal dress only. It's a decent dress. You have to maintain the so-called decent decorum. But what is the use of coming to the video conference in a banyan? So that's why please remember, in the Advocates Act tells you the professional ethics. So the main purpose of the Advocates Act is professional ethics and also etiquette. So I told you while regarding the etiquette. Etiquette means, suppose if the justice asks you to come and attend a dinner, you cannot go with slippers, you cannot go with a shabby dress without tuck and other things. You have maintained the so-called etiquette, table manners and all these things I told you. Here the etiquette requires that you should be in proper uniform, at least in a reasonable dress. Now let us know what happened. So this is a case relating to Leela Ram versus, yes, Lalaram versus State of Rajasthan. This is a bail application in CRLMP number 758 by 2020, taken up on 24/4/2020 through video conferencing. The Justice Sanjeev Prakash Sharma, he has come into the air. He started the video conference, and when the camera turned towards the advocate, then he was found hurriedly coming with a banyan, and he wanted to answer the bail petition, and the judge coolly adjourned the matter to May 5th. So he has commented that you have to maintain the decency and decorum of the court. The lawyers are expected to be in proper uniform even the video conferencing is going on, and already he has seen on 7th, the same judge has seen another advocate in the West on April 7th, and to his bad luck, he has to see another person in such a manner. So anyway, he has given instructions. Of course, anyway, they are not good. You may be knowing that according to section 327 CRPC, the court to be open. So the court, please, in that section I told you, wherever the judge sits, it is called court. So if the judge goes and operates in Tihar jail, it is a court. Tihar jail, in that Sahara Parivar case, Tihar jail has become a court. Likewise, so when the judge sits in his chamber and calling you through video conference, it is a court, and you have to maintain the decency and decorum of the court, and you should not, of course, you should not, at least he is found in a banyan. At least the judges did not see him wearing t-shirt and other things. So these are not good etiquettes. As advocates, you have to maintain the professional ethics and the professional etiquette. And in that section 327 CRPC, I told you. So court to be open, and wherever the judge sits, it is a court. So, and the judge has got a provision to not to allow somebody or not so gag some order against the press, all the things we discussed at that time. Anyway, please remember, this is a bad incident, because according to Rule 5, we have to appear in a decent and proper dress code, then only your appearance will increase and the judge will have at least some inclination in these crucial times, in these COVID times, to grant bail. Of course, what is the matter is posted to May 5th. Who is the sufferer? The client of Mr. the advocate, that Lalaram Memilalam, he is the sufferer. Please don't take. So some advocates, they are taking it, the professional etiquette very casually, and they are forcing the adjournment. Otherwise, at least some order would have come. I don't know whether the order will be favorable or not, but some order would have come. Now it is adjourned. So as advocates, we have to maintain the decency. Please follow rule number 5 of the Advocate Rules of the Advocates Act, and you have to appear before for video conference also in proper uniform. I hope every lawyer will understand this, and they will not do any wrong thing and get a condemnation from the judiciary. Arey Baba, even though we tell them so many things, they resort to these things. At the same time, since time has come, so I request all the advocates to look into the YouTube videos. Some people, there were so many advocates, they are arranging the guest lectures by senior advocates. Yesterday, Rakesh Dwivedi and Vikramjit Banerjee, and for that matter, our Honorable Justice Lav Nagesh Rao, he also addressed in regarding rights in that Madras MBA Academy through web series. Please follow them. Normally, I think they may be from 6 p.m. or so. Anyway, I don't know the correct time. Better you follow them and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you.